No.
This is Mike.
And I'm Lee.
And this is the balloon pumper. This is going to be very weird. Very awkward. But, I'm cleaning out my closet. And I found some balloons. And a balloon pump. How much do you think I should actually do?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's still so much room left in this thing. Arms get tired. Oh my god, that scared the living doozy out of me. Should I do another?
You could, dude, you could smell the balloon.
This is a pump. Via pump.
Did you hear me?
Yeah. Shut up. Listen to the police camera. Remember, I can hear you.
Sounds like that one's popped.
Huh?
Sounds like that one's popped.
No, it's air leaking out the side of it. Shut up. I was getting tired. Tastes like a rubber. God, are you ready? That's nasty, dude. It tastes like shit. It's been in the closet for years. Alright. Well, this is Mike.
And I'm Lee.
Thanks for the balloon scaring the shit out of me.